After testing over 500 AI tools at my AI incubator, Max Ventures, where we launch a new company monthly, I've developed a comprehensive ranking system to help you identify which tools actually create value. Here's my tier-based assessment of the most popular AI tools available today. Understanding the ranking system. S tier. Essential for modern business operations. A tier, widely valuable but not universally necessary. B tier, niche applications with solid value. C tier, limited use cases with inconsistent ROI. F tier, avoid, flashy but lacking real value. The complete rankings. S tier, must-have tools. ChatGPT, the foundational AI tool. Nearly 700 million weekly users leverage this conversational AI for writing, coding, and automation. It's remarkably user-friendly and has become too established to fail. If you're new to AI, start here. You can even ask it how to use AI effectively. Granola.ai, meeting notes reimagined. This recording tool works locally on your device, capturing notes without alerting other participants. It automatically generates recaps and action items across all major video platforms. Among technical AI professionals, this is the preferred solution. Your Atlas, voice and phone automation. This tool handles outbound qualifying and inbound responses through AI-powered phone interactions. As voice interfaces become dominant, this platform positions itself as the leader. The learning curve is manageable with basic prompt engineering knowledge. Gamma.app, design automation for everyone. Think of this as having a dedicated designer creating reports, proposals, and presentations. It's incredibly intuitive and helps teams communicate more effectively through better visual outputs. Every business can benefit from enhanced presentation quality. Zapier, workflow automation foundation. With connections to 6,000 apps and nearly a decade of market presence, this no-code automation platform has become essential for modern businesses. Hundreds of agencies build their services around Zapier automation. A tier, highly valuable Grok, rising AI powerhouse Elon Musk's XAI project keeps improving weekly. The premium tier offers exceptional accuracy and research depth. Based on development velocity and first principles approach, this tool is positioned to become the second most important AI after ChatGPT. Claude, specialized excellence. Anthropic's AI excels particularly in writing and coding tasks. While ChatGPT continues improving, Claude maintains advantages in specific project types. Perplexity.ai, AI-powered search. The original AI search engine provides verified sources, reducing hallucination concerns. While similar features now exist elsewhere, Perplexity pioneered this approach. Gumloop, visual workflow builder. Exceptional user experience makes this automation tool particularly accessible. We've successfully built financial and recruiting automations using this platform. While overlapping with Zapier, its visual approach offers distinct advantages. 11 Labs, voice synthesis leader. This tool produces remarkably realistic AI voices. Content creators use it extensively for voiceover work and fixing pronunciation errors in post-production. The nuanced voice technology positions them as potential category winners. N8N, open source automation, developer-friendly and transparent. This open source platform eliminates licensing costs if you can manage your own servers. It's ideal for complex workflows, though it requires more technical knowledge. BuddyPro.ai, knowledge base AI, train an AI specifically on your company information to handle client inquiries and internal questions. This reduces support workload significantly when properly configured. B tier, niche but valuable. Lovable, no-code app development. Non-technical users can build functional apps through this platform. The future likely involves department-specific disposable apps replacing spreadsheets. Some professionals charge substantial fees for Lovable created applications. Runway ML, video generation. This AI-powered video creation tool helps produce marketing materials and walkthroughs. While the learning curve is steeper than other tools, the long-term potential for video creators is substantial. Midjourney, Image generation, one of the early AI image tools using prompt-based creation. Service providers use it for brand packages and website designs, though similar capabilities now exist in other platforms. HeyGen, AI avatar videos, create training videos, product explainers, and marketing content from text using AI avatars. It's excellent for scaling content output, though competing tools are emerging. Leonardo.ai, concept art and branding. Designers appreciate this tool for generating branded visuals and concept art. Consistency can be challenging due to occasional hallucinations, limiting its broader application. C-tier, limited application. Gemini, Google's AI offering strong integration with Google's ecosystem gives it potential, but it's only valuable if you're already invested in Google's suite of tools. Notion AI, workspace assistant built into Notion for writing, notes, and organization. While easy to use, OpenAI's company knowledge product may challenge its position. Most valuable for existing Notion users. Fathom, referenced as Fixer.ai, email organization helps categorize and sort email for improved inbox productivity. Time-saving potential exists, but workflow customization can be challenging. Notebook.lm, Google's research tool, analyzes and summarizes files and research. The standout feature converts content into podcast-style narratives, best suited for researchers, writers, and students rather than general business use. Cursor AI, developer's coding assistant. This integrated development environment with AI assistance is powerful for technical users but extremely niche. Revio, social media sales assistant. If you conduct business through Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook messaging, this AI sales assistant becomes essential. It's niche but powerful for those using social platforms for lead generation. F-tier, avoid Apple intelligence. Despite Apple's marketing expertise, their AI implementation falls short. Users consistently return to alternative tools, wait for significant improvements before considering it. Making these tools work for you. Choose one tool that resonated with you from this list. Install it immediately, then spend 2 weeks building the habit of using it. The key isn't whether the tool can perform the task, it's whether you remember to use it. Connect using your new AI tool to an existing work habit. This habit stacking approach ensures the technology becomes second nature, ultimately saving time and increasing profitability. If you found this AI tools breakdown valuable and want to stay updated with the latest technology reviews, business strategies, and tool recommendations, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We regularly share in-depth analyses and practical guides to help you leverage AI and technology to grow your business and increase productivity. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss our latest videos on AI tools, business automation, and wealth building strategies for 2026 and beyond.